Place the Reese's into the center of the biscuit dough and then fold it over. Make you a good biscuit ball. Make sure you got the seams all closed in. Set your biscuit ball down just for a moment. We'll come right back to this guy. In a small bowl, you're gonna put 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. You can just use your finger to kind of stir those together. And we have that cocoa powder and sugar pretty good and mixed together. All right, so now we're gonna come back to our biscuit ball. We're gonna take it over here. We have 1/4 cup of melted butter here in this cup. You wanna get it fully coated in the butter. Once you have it fully coated, you're gonna take it over to our cocoa powder sugar mixture. Just give it a nice roll around. That's pretty good and coated. So once you have that, we're gonna put it back onto our parchment paper here in our baking dish. And we're gonna do that for a few other ones. Okay, once you have that final one, we're gonna put it in our baking dish. We have the oven preheated to 350. We're gonna put it in there for 13 to 16 minutes. And these guys should be just about ready. All right, while that's in the oven, we're gonna make a little glaze to put on top. Take about 2 tablespoons of milk. And then we're gonna add 1/2 cup of powdered sugar in with the milk. Try not to spill it like I just did. There we go. Give that a nice stir. It's gonna make a nice glaze. And then we'll pour this on top of it once the biscuits are ready. All right, let's check out these peanut butter biscuits. Oh, I smell the chocolate. Oh, that looks good. Man, this might be one of my favorite dessert creations. Yeah, get in there. Let them get a good look at that chocolatey goodness. Okay, y'all, so I got this glaze that I made while I was in the oven. Just gonna pour it over while it's still hot. You want to pour the glaze over. All right, once you have them nice and glazed up, we're just gonna let it cool for a few minutes. We want to try it while it's warm. We're gonna let it cool for a few minutes and come right back. All right, my cameraman Rain is gonna try it for us. Let's go, Rain. Let's see.
See how it is.
Ooh.
It's really good. Very chocolatey.
Did you get that peanut butter cup in there?
I think I got
Where's that guy?
A little deeper here.
Let's see.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, yeah.
That's really good.
Straight gas or what?
The kids will love this for sure.
Oh, you know it. My niece and nephew's gonna eat this up.